Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to edit on Capcut. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Capcut application, and now you can choose, or if you are the first timer do or editing a video with Capcut, you just need to go into the new project here and just choose either you want to edit a video, photos, or live photos. The phone is already provided for you, but if you don't have any videos, you can go into the stock videos that provided by the Capcut itself. There are several videos that you can use here, but for me, let's have a editing our own video, my own video. Okay, just by scroll down and choose which video that we want to edit, and after we find one, just click add. And on that, there will be several tools that we can use here. We can edit, so the edit button will generate you into the several options too, whether like splitting or controlling the speed of the videos. And for the audio, here is to adding the audio and music, text to adding some text, and many more. You can just export it by yourself here, but this is for editing the whole video. But if you want to editing like specific clip, you just need to click the clip until it is in active mode, and you will be generated into several options too. So if you take a look on this bottom option, you can like scroll into the left side, and you will have a lot of features that you can use to edit the clip of the project that you have here. So after you're done editing the video, you can just go into this upper right corner here, and then you just need to click these arrows, and then the video will be exporting into your gallery or media. So that's all how the way you edit the video on a Capcut application. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.